Alright, I'm here today fishing this pond. Supposedly it hasn't been fished in a few years, at least, since people moved in. I want to see if we can catch anything. There was a flood that came through here last year, so we'll see if it did any damage to it. It looks really good. I'm going to be trying some fly fishing. I 3D printed my dragonfly here, and I added some feathers to it to give it a little fluff, so we're going to see if this can catch anything. Oh, dang it. Fish on. Fish off. Alright, so I've had 4 or 5 hits on this now. I've come to a conclusion that my hook is not placed very well. Alright, that's a no-go on the 3D printed fishing lure. I purchased these from Cabela's a long time ago. I really want to see what the frog does first, so let's tie it on. Honestly, think the green thing will catch more, but right now I'm worried about having fun. Alright, so fly fishing with this frog lure from Cabela's, so let's see what happens. Fish on. And that's how I lost my lure. Alright, lure number 2 from Cabela's. Little jig head with a curly tail on it. I've never fished anything like this before, so let's see what we can get. The frog worked awesome. Alright, fish on. Bass on. Try not to lose this one. Alright, fish number 1 on the little jig head here on the fly. Should have been like fish number 6, but alright, I'm going to release him over here so maybe you don't spook the bigger fish. Thanks, little buddy. Oh, fish hit as soon as it hit the water. They are liking this one. Another one hit. So I got one on. Yep, fish on. Oh man, you see that? Alright, fish number 2. Another, looks like a largemouth maybe. Nice one. Alright, let's get your grandma on out here. Alright, that one's moving. Sunfish. Whew, big old sunfish. Fish on. Oh man. Alright, definitely the biggest fish I've caught on a fly rod so far. Look at that. Right there, hooked him right on the side. This is an awesome little jig. Oh, fish on. That one ran. Sunfish. Big old sunfish. Look at that thing. It's almost as big as the one I caught in the lake. See ya. Not much collar to it. Sunfish on. There we go. Alright, see you later, sunfish. Alright, I got about 10 minutes. I want to try my third lure. Never tried before. Actually, none of these lures I've tried before today. This is like a worm type of looking deal. Alright, lure number 3. Got a little worm here. Let's see what it does. Oh, fish on. Nice bass. Oh, he spit it out. Just as I was going down to get him, he decided to spit it out. Awesome bass. Now, I've only fly fished 4 or 5 times, maybe, at most. I'm watching the very tip of my green line and seeing where it goes. If it starts to move in a different direction, that's an indicator to me that there's something on there. Alright, trying to get this last fish here, just one of them that I can set this hook on. There we go, might have it right here. There. Alright, come to Papa. Alright, I hit some big ones on this. I couldn't keep them on. This is a very nice bait as well. Alright, got a nice little dinker here, but it worked. on the little worm on the fly fish lure here. Alright.